Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I think it's been about 3 months since I posted my last video, but a lot has changed since. I'm actually standing right now in my own shop. This is something that I didn't put on YouTube or anything, but it is a big move that I did this year. You guys can see right now we're currently standing in my waiting room. We have the dogs right here just chilling. I make sure to bring them to work every single day. But yeah, guys, it's been a crazy roller coaster getting the shop set up and a lot of stuff that goes into it that I don't post on social media and stuff. Just a quick update. I know I had the M2 competition. I know I had the M340i, and I know I had the M6. So for any of you wondering, do I still have any of those cars? All those cars are actually gone. I no longer have any of them. My most recent pickup was the M4 competition. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I've been posting that car recently. I've actually been modding it very, very fast. I put a full aero kit on it already. We did bags, we did wheels. I still have a few more things I want to do for it, possibly go full bolt-on, put a roll cage, but I'm gonna make a separate video that's dedicated to that car so you guys can see exactly what I've done. But this brings us to today's video. So today's video is about my most recent purchase, which is a 2021 A91 Supra. It is a special edition. There's so many different types of Supras out there. There's the launch edition, then the premium, but I guess the A91 edition is just like the top of the line. It comes with a couple extra cool features that the other two models don't come with. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys it. I'm gonna be doing a full walk around. The car's completely stock. You know it's not gonna stay stock for long because when I get these cars, I tend to mod them very, very fast. But this time I'm gonna try my best to vlog every single mod that I do to the car. And I think I've said this in the past, but guys, I promise you I've been busting my ass with the business and just try my best to help my company grow. So yeah, guys, without further ado, let's go check out the car. All right, here she is, guys. My 2021 Supra A91 edition in nocturnal black. It looks so good, guys. This color is so aggressive. Quick little walk around. You guys can see this color looks so good. It also has the stripes, so you know that's the A91 edition. Let me get a closer look so you guys can see them. I honestly believe it's just like a sticker or a wrap. So if you have a launch edition or a premium, if you just add that, honestly, no one can tell. Just a quick walk around. Taillights are so sick. Wow, it's such a clean car. Also, it did come with carbon fiber mirror caps, so that's another thing that comes with the A91 edition. I believe some premium editions do come with carbon fiber mirror caps as well, but I know 100% the A91 edition does come with those. We got the front parking sensors as well. These are just things the dealer told me that are some additional things that the car does come with that I guess only the A91 does come with, but after doing some research, I did see that some of the other, I don't want to say lower models, but the other models come with those similar things as well. So now that we're back to the front, guys, I just want to know, when the Supra first came out, honestly, I wasn't a huge fan of the front bumper style, but then it was the same thing with the M2s. When those came out, I wasn't a huge fan. As time went on, I just grew to love them, and it just looks so good. I think it's a really well designed bumper. The lips fit with it very nicely. It's just super aggressive. I like how the vents are like fully exposed. It looks like a really just big aggressive mouth in the front. It's a really good design. The headlights are so sick as well too. Got the full LED strip going all the way down. Look at all the bulbs inside there. This looks really dope. Also, this is my shop right here, guys. Probably gonna do a full walk around and stuff, explain like what we got going on here and stuff, but I'll probably save that for another video. But just wanted to show you guys the Supra in the shop because the lighting in here is so sick. So yeah, just moving on to the wheels first, I guess we could talk about that. They are in a satin finish like I was mentioning, and then we got these massive Brembos in the back. We got the Supra decal on there. I don't think the decal was included on the other model, so I think that is something that's on the A91 edition. I could be wrong. Those look really good. And these wheels are some pretty nice wheels from the factory, not gonna lie. Could use a spacer, maybe a little drop, and she'll be set. The car's actually really low already. When you're sitting on it, you feel like you're literally on the floor. We got these, I guess, plastic satin black side skirts. They're pretty nice. Definitely gonna switch those out for some A Concepts carbon fiber ones. And then moving on to the back wheel, as you guys can see, I wish we had a big caliper in the back, but this will do in the meantime. I do like the red. I think it looks really well. Definitely gonna get rid of those reflectors. Can definitely save that for another video. And then the rear. I love the rear so much. Such an aggressive diffuser. Such a well-designed rear end. You guys, the hips are insane. Look at that. It's massive. If you've never seen a Supra in person, pictures definitely do not do it justice, guys. So yeah, this is my second day owning the car, guys, and as I've had it, there are a couple things that I'm not too fond of, and I'm definitely thinking of making a video to talk to you guys about it. So if you're thinking about getting a Supra, if you already have one, maybe we can relate to some of those topics. So how about we hop into the interior so you guys can check it out. The color combo it comes with is black seats with Alcantara middle, and then it has blue stitching, which looks really good. It honestly gives me M vibes. I have an M4 competition, and the stitching looks very similar to the M colors. But other than that, the interior is pretty nice. It's well designed. I've had plenty of BMW, so it doesn't feel like I'm in a completely different car because a lot of things are the same. We got the carbon fiber in the middle, which looks pretty good. I think the launch editions have carbon fiber trim up there on top. Fortunately, I don't have that because I don't have a launch edition. Yeah, and then we got blue stitching running across the whole dash too. That looks really good. But overall, I think the interior is well designed. It has a really sporty, exotic type vibe in there. There are some things I don't like. Again, I'm gonna make a separate video for that. But overall, Toyota, BMW, you guys did a great job. Also, if you're considering getting one and you're curious on trunk space, I guess I'll show you guys that now. So this is the trunk space you get in your Supra. Honestly, not that much. Probably fit like a suitcase, nothing too big. Yeah, not that much space, but I mean, if you're getting this car, you're not using it to haul a bunch of stuff, you know. You're getting to serve one purpose, and that's just to hear people say, hey, is that a Supra? But yeah, guys, that's the trunk space. As you can see, nothing too exciting, just very small and compact. Also, I just noticed, guys, the car came with this little sleeve cover for my key. It's actually the same interior color as my car. It's Alcantara with the blue stitching. Let me focus real quick. There you guys go. So I think that's pretty cool. It actually matches perfectly, so pretty much take my interior anywhere I go. Let me show you guys the engine bay. There's actually something different in the A91 edition, and I think their premium edition that the launch edition doesn't have. I could be wrong. Anyways, let me show you guys. So I was doing tons of research on the suspension, on the chassis and stuff, and I guess for the 2021, possibly 2020, everything got tweaked up. They changed a few things to refine the suspension and just the overall chassis. So my car comes with these additional struts. I remember seeing a video on the release of the first Supra, and they're talking about how you can add additional strut bars right there. Lucky for me, mine's come with them, and honestly the silver color is not that nice, so possibly get them painted or maybe switch them out to an aftermarket one, I'm not too sure. And then as far as the engine goes, guys, you guys know this is the glorious B58. I am a huge fan of this engine. I had it in my F30, I recently had it in my G20, and then now I have it again in the Supra. Horsepower on this engine is at 382 and the torque is at 368. I'm hoping the car is underrated and we dyno it one day on stock numbers and we're hitting like 4s. That would be great. So I know this model definitely does come with a horsepower increase, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, there you go. There you have it. There's just a quick walk around talking about the little features my new Supra did come with. If you guys are in the market for a Supra and you're like really considering it, I highly recommend doing it. You won't be disappointed. It's such a fun car. I've gotten so many looks on the freeway, on the streets while driving, just like they're looking at like, what kind of car is that? What is that? And I'm like, bro, it's completely stock. Imagine, wait till I do stuff to it. It's gonna look really crazy. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close up the hood because we're actually gonna go take some pictures right now. I'm gonna do a little photo shoot because today's Thursday and I'm gonna be revealing this car on Friday, which is the day you're actually watching this video. So I'm gonna close her up, gonna go get her ready for some pictures, and we'll continue the vlog there. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you guys the Supra outside. It's not too sunny, it's a little gloomy out here, but I think it's gonna look really good because this black paint just looks amazing. So yeah, guys, let's go outside. So just a quick little walk around real quick, guys, so you guys can see the Supra outside. The gloomy weather is actually making the car look really, really nice and shiny. But honestly, it's really, really dirty out here. I think they're doing like some type of construction. You guys can see on the tire, there's tons of dust and dirt. Oh wow, such a clean car. It looks so good right out of the box. I was so happy to find the A91 edition. If you guys been following me for some time now, you guys know I always go out with all my cars. The last wide body I did was on my F30, and I've been wanting to go wide body since, and I don't know if I want to cut into this car. It looks so good already. These hips are already popping out like crazy, so I don't know if that's something I want to do or I'm going to do anytime soon, but definitely a drop. Even though these wheels are some pretty nice factory wheels, they could use better offsets and stuff to just sit more flush.